Pranam दोस्तों, today I will share series of Pawan Mukt Asana. The Pawan Mukt Asana series is one of the most important group of practice that has a very profound effect on the human body and mind. In Sanskrit, these practices are referred to as Sukshma Vyayama, which means subtle exercise. The word Prarambhik Sthiti, base position, sit with leg outstretched, feet close together but not touching. Place the palm of the hand on the floor to the sides just behind the buttocks. Then we start with toe bending. Sit in base position with the leg outstretched and the feet together. Be aware of your toes. Move only the toes of both feet slowly, backward and forward. Keeping the feet upright and ankle relaxed and motionless. Hold each position for a few seconds. Repeat 10 times. Gulf Naman or ankle bending. Remain in the position. Slowly move your both feet forward and backward, bending them from the ankle joints. Try to stretch the feet forward to touch the floor and then draw them back towards the knees. Hold each position for few seconds. Repeat 10 times. Inhale as the feet move backward. Exhale as the feet move forward. Then Gulf Chakra or ankle rotation. Remain in the base position. Keep the leg shoulder width apart and straight. Keep the heels on the ground throughout the practice. Slowly rotate the right foot clockwise from the ankle 10 times. Gulf Chakra or ankle rotation. Remain in the base position. Keep the leg shoulder width apart and straight. Slowly rotate your both feet in clockwise direction, and then after 10 times clockwise, then 10 times anti-clockwise. Inhale on the upward movement and exhale on the downward movement.